Okay, all right. So we continue this chapter 4, okay, which is how we design our circuit design, okay, how we design our conventional circuits, okay, by using a kernel map, okay, in order to simplify the expressions, okay. So sebelum ni you belajar combinational circuit, okay, by generating the logic circuit diagrams based on the truth table, were based or given the study, right? Okay, but it's not too detailed. But now kita akan pergi tengok based on this one of the case studies, okay, whereby we can design our combinational circuit diagram by generating the truth table. After generating the truth table, we can get the expressions, okay, for the get the expressions, okay, of Boolean expressions, and then from the Boolean expression we can draw the circuit diagrams, okay. Sebelum ni kita buat terbalik kan, okay, kita dah dia bagi truth table, okay, kita draw the circuit diagram. Tapi kali ni based on the case study, alright, that given to you, then we can generate the truth table, and from the truth table we map it atau transform it into the K-map, and we use a K-map, then use a K-map in order to simplify, to get the simplified of Boolean expressions, and then after that again from there we can draw the circuit diagram. Okay, alright. So this is questions, okay, about the tank, okay, that use the three floats, okay, that switches A, B and C, okay. This is extension daripada cerita yang hari tu lah. Okay, so we have a liquid X, liquid Y and water. Alright, so these three floats switches A, B and C. So dia A and B ni akan ada switch, okay, float switch, okay. Pelampung ni ada switch A, B and C. If any of the switch fail to function, all the valves, okay, are closed and the red light is switched on. Okay, ini asal green lights, okay. So kalau semua fail, okay, all the valves, okay, close, okay, alright, and the red light will be on, okay, alright. So here we have a logic circuit diagrams, okay. This is a and B and C. We'll go into this three float will go into the logic circuits, and these logic circuits, okay, will have okay, will connected, okay, to pump it, okay, to make the level of the P water and the PX and the PY. Okay, they have three outputs here, and then they have green light and also red light. Okay. Okay, so the diagrams, okay, the valves, okay, the diagram shows the below a system to control three valves, okay, which is P water, PX and the PY liquid that will control the flow of water for liquid X and the liquid Y into a tank. During the initial state, the tank is empty. Okay, initially they're empty, okay. So when the system start, okay, the valve of P water is open to allow the flow of water. As the water level reach the level A, okay, so some of the water levels, okay, reach of the level A, so the next of valve of PX will be open and to allow the flow of liquid X into the tank. So when the mixture of water plus the liquid X reach the levels of B, then the valve of P1 is open to allow the flow of the liquid Y. So when it reaches the level C, all the valves are closed and the green light is switched on. That this shows the green light is on to show the signal of the successful operations. Okay. Alright, so this is what they explain lah. Okay, so they actually yang ni untuk control the liquid that going into the tank. Okay, so the A, okay, initially the tank is empty. Okay, so then they put water. Okay, and then dia akan sampai satu level of tank level A tu. Okay, so dia akan stop. Masuk. Okay, dia akan sampai A and sampai reach to more than level A tu. So the level A akan stop. Then dia akan masukkan liquid X lah. Okay, so liquid X reach sampai B. So dia akan masuk, then dia akan sampai ke B. So bila dia dah sampai ke flow of B, so dia akan dia akan open pula untuk liquid Y untuk masuk. So dia semacam lah controller lah. So once they complete the penuh, then the green light will be on, and then all the valves tu akan close. All these things akan close and the red light is switch on. Red light ni sebenarnya ada rosak lah. Okay, ada valve tu automatic close, lepas tu dia akan the red light will be on. Okay. So we have the inputs, okay, which is the float. Okay, so daripada maklumat yang banyak ini, okay, kita kena keluarkan, okay, keluarkan the inputs, okay, and kita dah identify yang mana inputs and yang mana outputs for the logic circuit, okay, and then kita kena tahu when they end on, when they off, okay, alright. Okay, so the input here we have a float of off and okay, which is down atau equals to 0, and the float on equals to 1. And the output here dia ada, okay, dia ada valve open equals to 1, valve close equals to 0, light on will be equals to 1, and the light off equals to 0. So this system will be operate as follows lah. Okay, for example, the initial state, maknanya tak ada apa-apa lagi. So the ABC equals to 0, 0. So the output water. Okay, dia akan masukkan water. So dia tengok tank tu kosong, maka dia akan masukkan water. Okay, as based on the case study that given lah. And then when they reach a level A, okay, so dia akan masukkan water sampai they reach of the level A. So when the level A is on, okay, which is your ABC input pelampung tadi, on, okay, so dia sampai kat level A, okay, maka the liquid X akan masuk. So dia akan put in the liquid X. So when they pour the liquid X, so the liquid X akan combine with the water. Okay, alright. Then, okay, the level B will be on, okay, alright, the level B will be on, okay, when your water and the X tadi dah sampai, and then baru the liquid Y akan masuk. Okay, so liquid akan masuk. And the level C, okay, so A, B, C kalau dia all, okay, bila semua pelampung ni menyala, maka they close all the valves and they shows that it being success. Okay, so this is what we can generate. Okay, so other than that, ada daripada input ni, maka we close all the valve and the system will failure. Okay, so daripada sini kita boleh generate, okay, the input ada dua, which is A, B and C. So input variable lah. Okay, so input variable kita tahu dia adalah 3. Okay, tak ada masalah. Kita ada 000, 001, 010, 110, 111, 101, 110, 111. So that is input. Okay. So the case study, okay, that happens, yang ini lah yang penting yang ni. Bila input ni, apa yang akan terjadi pada outputs. Okay, the rest tu dia akan failure lah, other than this, okay. So bila input dia kosong-kosong, maka water dia akan menyala. So di sini, bila dia kosong-kosong, input water ni akan menyala. So yang the rest, wire output tadi, yang ni, yang lain, yang ni ada output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So water je yang on, and the rest will be 0. So the rest will be 0. Okay. The green light, LH, and the red light, okay, LM ni. Okay. Alright. And then, situasi of bila C ni menyala, okay, alright, maka semua akan tutup dan lampu merah akan menyala. Maksudnya ada something rosak lah. Okay, so situation ini sahaja yang akan ada outputs. Okay, maksudnya kalau dia level A, okay, so water plus X akan menyala. Or B, water 1, 1 and 0, water plus X plus Y akan menyala. Dan level C is 1, 1, all the close on all bulbs. Okay. So dekat sini bila output dia 001, which is C yang pelampung kain tak menyala, tapi C menyala, maksud dia rosak lah. So the rest will be 0 and the red light will be on. So sama juga the third one. Okay, so yang ni B menyala. Okay, alright. The rest will be close off. All the valves ni akan close. Okay, red light akan menyala. And then the next one is B and C. Okay, menyala. Okay, pun tiba-tiba B, C menyala. So maka kita akan all the close valve ni kita akan close. Okay, and then red light akan menyala. And then yang ini bila kita on tank A, okay, bila A ni on, okay, maka the P water akan menyala. Yang ni situasi dia 100. Okay, so 100. Okay, the P water and the PX akan menyala. Okay, yang lain tutup lah. Okay, and then you have water A and C ni. Tiba-tiba C ni menyala, so maknanya dia ada rosak lah. Maka all the output ni akan close dan red light akan menyala. And then this one is bila water pelampung A and B ni, the float switch of A and B ni menyala, maka you on the water liquid X dan juga liquid Y punya controller. Okay, maksudnya dia tengah campur kan. Okay, and then the rest, okay, kalau all these things menyala, maka dia kata this is being success. So the green light, all the valve will close and the green light will be on. So maknanya semuanya dia akan tutup dan lampu hijau akan menyala, menandakan the function is being success or the operation is already success. Okay, so dia macam mana you translate kita translate benda tu. So yang inilah. So dia daripada maklumat ini. Okay, when the initial state empty. Okay, alright, initial state empty. When the system is start, the valve water will be to allow the flow of water. So maknanya bila empty, P water akan keluar. Menyala. Okay, dia masukkan water kan. Okay. Lepas tu, bila yang kedua, second case, the scenario is happens when your level E akan menyala bila you ada water dan X. Okay, so kat sini lah. Bila A menyala, water dan juga PX ni akan menyala. Okay, and then case yang seterusnya, okay, we have ABC, where the water and also the float switch B is on. Okay, maknanya masa tu dia dah masukkan liquid Y. So maksudnya dia dah on water, liquid X dan juga liquid Y. So dekat situ ni, so water, so liquid X ini, okay, ni okay, so the input yang ni based on the input case tadi bila water tank empty dia akan on P water. Okay, and then bila dia A menyala, okay, so dia akan on water, liquid X and liquid X. Okay, so and bila liquid bila pelampung A dengan B menyala, maka dia punya valve akan menyala pada water, liquid Y dan juga liquid X and liquid Y. And then bila semua menyala, okay, maknanya the valve akan close and the green light is on. So maknanya menandakan dia success. So the rest of this, dia akan red light. Okay, maknanya contohnya macam ni, C001, C1 yang menyala, maka dia yang lain dia akan close, dia akan red light. Sama juga bila dia on B, okay, yang the rest will be closed, okay, and the red light will be on. And then yang ni, tiba-tiba B dengan C ni menyala, okay, and then the rest of the valves will be closed and the red light will be on. Okay, sama juga dengan case ni, okay, A and C tiba-tiba menyala, so maka dia close all the valves, okay, and the red light will be on. So yang berfungsi dalam case ini yang saya tanda ni lah, ini dan ini sahaja. Okay, so now you have the inputs, okay, and also the outputs of the truth table. From here, okay, you can generate, okay, you can generate the expression based on the output for each of the output. So as a P water output, PX output, PY output, okay, the green light output, okay, and the red light output. Okay, the red light outputs. Okay, alright. This is how you design the truth table. Daripada design the truth table, next, after you design the truth table, okay, the truth table based on the case scenario that given to you, then we simplify the expression using KMAP for each particular output. Okay, bukan empat-empat output tak. For each particular output. So for example, we use a P water. So P water, we generate, okay, P water, ambil P water column of logic of 1 here and here. Okay, so at the 0, okay, at the 0, 1, ini 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Sebab you have 3 inputs kan. Okay, so okay, dekat 0, okay, dekat 4 will be on and dekat 6. Okay, so draw the K-map table of the three variable K-map, and then yang dia menyala adalah dekat 0, yang ni 1, lepas tu 4, 6, 4, 4 dan 6. So 4 and 6. Okay, so draw the, okay, we put the plot of 1 for that particular based on the truth table. Now, after that, baru kita draw the punya loops. Okay, for the loops here, we have 2 here, right? 1 is here. Saya kena pakai warna lain, so that yang kamu nampak. Okay, so you have loops here, 1 loops here. Okay, then we have another one. Okay, saya pakai warna purple. Okay, this particular loops. To this particular loops. Okay, so the green, then we have, alright, so now you write the expressions, okay, for each loop. Okay, for the green loops, okay, you have a bar dot b and a bar dot b bar, and you have a c bar. So now we can neutral, kita eliminate the b and b bar, so you have a dot c bar. So this is a dot c bar. Okay, and then the purple one, okay, the purple loops, okay, so you have a dot b bar here, and then the a dot b bar. Okay, so you eliminate the a bar, okay, and a bar and then we have a b bar and a c bar. So this loops actually is a b bar dot c bar. Okay, so now the p water expression is a dot c bar and plus with the b bar dot c bar. Okay, daripada truth table. Okay, yang penting truth table kena betul. Dah betul truth table, then you map je saja. You just plot the output of 1 for each particular cell, each particular value yang ada output of 1. Okay, dalam K map 3 variables of K map. Okay, next is the light. Okay, okay. Okay, the red light. Okay, so the red light here. Okay, so the red light. Okay, kita tengok dekat red light at the 1, at the 2, and the 3, and also the 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay, so we on 1. Okay, we on 2, we on 3, we on 5. Now we draw the loops. Okay. Okay, for the loops. So yang ni kita tak boleh buat apa. Kita kena ambil yang ni as one loop. And then we have another one. Okay, this loop, the side of loop. Sorry. Okay, this side of loop. Okay, the both side. Okay, and then now, after we are drawing the loops, then we akan okay, then we write the expressions for each particular loop. For example, here it involve a bar dot b column and dia involve c bar and c column. So yang ni kita akan neutralkan dia lah. So kita akan neutralkan. So you dekat a bar dot b. And for the side corner ni, dia involve this column and this column. So we eliminate the a bar and a. So we got the b bar Okay, and then this no choice, we use the C bar. So you have the B bar dot C. So your red lamp punya equation equals to A bar dot B plus B bar dot C. Okay. How about the PX, PY and the uh, uh, okay, kita pergi green light. Okay, for the green light, they only on at this particular row. So yang ni kita tak payah K-map pun tak apalah. Yang ni no choice lah. You have A, B and C. Okay, alright, because there only one. Okay, only one digit output. Okay, and then for the PY also we have one saja. Okay, which is at the 6. Okay, so you have A, B and C bar. Okay, tak perlu K-map lah. Biasanya K-map ni bila you have more than one input. Okay, right, A, B and C bar. And then for the PX, okay, so the PX yang ini, okay, so yang PX ni dia only have a 2. Okay, kalau nak buat K-map juga pun boleh, tak ada masalah. Tapi kamu kena buat betul-betul lah. Okay, so let's say for example kita nak buat PX kan. So this is A bar dot B bar plus A bar dot B. Okay, AB and then AB bar. Kan, nak buat pun boleh, tak nak buat pun tak apa. Yang tu dia tunjuk simplify. Okay, and then you have 2 column C bar and C. So 0, 1, 2, 3. Remember 4, 5 at the 4th column, 6 and 7. So your X is at the 4 and also number 6. 4 and 6. So you draw the loops. So to draw the loop, so this involve this one and this one. Okay, so you have in a minute the B and B bar. Okay, and then you got loops of for PX equation is equals to A plus C bar. Betul tak? Sorry, A dot C bar, silap plus. Sorry. Dia bukan 2 loops kan, dia 1 loop je kan. So this loop actually A dot C bar. So your PX is actually A C bar. Okay, yang ni kita pakai K-map. Okay, yang ni dia tunjuk pakai factorize. Okay, they use simplified Boolean algebra. So yang kita yang ni sama juga kan, kita dapat lagi cepat kan kita pakai K-map. Okay, so you dapat A dot C bar for the PX. So what you need to do with all these things, then you transform all these output these output expressions, okay, P water, red light, PX, PY and okay, the green light here, and transform it into the logic circuit diagram. Ini lukis kena hati-hati. So you have 3 input. So when you have 3 inputs, buat satu-satu. For P water, okay, so P water kita ada A bar dot C bar plus B bar dot C bar. Okay, so you have A bar dot C bar. Okay, you have A bar A, alright. And kan dengan C bar. Okay, alright, so this is A bar C bar. A dot C bar. Okay, and then you have another one which is B bar dot C bar. Okay, B bar dot C bar. So B bar, and then C bar ni kita ambil je, bawa ke sini. N kan, so this is B bar C bar, and these two you all kan. So this is, you will get the output of P water. Okay, now we go to the PX. Okay, PX is A. Okay, A dot C bar. Okay, A dot C bar. So PX. Okay, A bar A dot C bar. Okay, so dia output yang sama, letak kat sini. Tarik. Okay, so PY. Okay, so PY ialah A bar and with the B. And then you have C bar. Okay, B bar. Okay, sorry, B bar and C. Okay, so you combine it. Okay, you will get the green light. Is it green light? Macam salah je wire dia. PVC kan? Oh, dia guna ABC. Dia ni macam salah je ni. Okay, sepatutnya green light. Oh, green light ni. Eh, ni salah ni. Green light dia terbalik dia terbalik wire ni. So it's supposed to green light is this. Okay, and this PY is A bar dot B, A bar dot B, ABC bar. PY is actually ABC bar. PY adalah ABC bar. AB. Red lamp, red lamp. Oh, dia terbalik A bar dot B plus B bar C. Ni lah red lamp. A bar dot B. A bar dot C. B bar, B bar, B bar, and C. So this actually is red. This actually output for the red lamp. Salah ni terbalik sikit. Harap betulkan. Okay, drawing dia. Okay, this actually untuk output ni. This actually untuk output of red lamp. And this one actually for ABC. Bar. Okay, ni betul. Bar. This one AB. ABC bar. Oh, salah. ABC bar ni. Sekejap. Saya draw right the expression So A. This is AB. Then C. AB and C bar. Okay, C, AB and C bar is PY. Ni PY. Ni betul. This is PY. Okay. Alright. This is a PY. The green light and ni salah Sepatutnya ini the green light is actually this wire. And this one is this wire. Sekejap. Saya padam ni. Okay. Terbalik. Okay. Jangan terbalik bila kita drawing ni. So this one. Patutnya pergi sini. Yang red light ni. Actually dia pergi ke sini. Okay. Alright. So hati-hatilah apabila you buat. Okay. So this is A bar B plus B bar C. Okay. And this is A bar A C bar plus B bar C bar. Okay. Right. And then this A B C. Okay. So maknanya output dia ada banyak lah. So you kena buat individual K-map for each individual output. And then dah dapat K-map tu, dah dapat expressions tu, draw the circuit diagram based on the expression that you dah simplified using a K-map tadi. Okay. Alright. Now we... Okay. So now we go to the another example of case studies, okay, that using truth table K-map. Okay, so here example kita buat sekali, okay, sama-sama supaya awak nampak. So the diagram shows the below is a one speed system. Okay, ni one speed system that is to remind the public about the storm phenomenon. Okay, dia macam indicator lah. Okay, one indicator when kita identify the one the ones, okay, uh, the wind speed system, okay, and the public. Okay, so the input here, okay, we have a wind speed system that has a input and your logic circuit. So dia akan ada dua output, which is your lamp and also the siren. Okay, so the speed of the wind system, the wind speed system ni bergantung kepada scale. So you have a logic circuit with the 3 bits of binary, which is effect the output based on the scale shown below. Okay, so if you have scale between 0 to 1, 0 to 2, so the green lamp will be on as a green, and then the siren will be off. Okay, means normal. Indicator lah, as an indicator. If you have a scale between 3 and 4, then the green will be lamp on as a yellow and the siren is off. Okay, and if you have a scale of 5 to 6, means your lamp is on with the red, okay, and the siren is off. And when you have a scale 7, okay, the lamp is the lamp is on with the red light, okay, and the siren is on, means the high speed and is we consider a danger. So we assume that when the lamp is on equals to 1 and the lamp off, okay, will be equals to 0. For the siren will be on as a 1 and the siren off will be 0. Okay, so in the indicator lah, okay, dia bagi tahu So okay, so therefore you need to design the logic circuit, okay, and your solution should be include truth table. The first thing is you need to transfer all this information into a truth table, and then from the truth table, okay, right? Sorry, not okay. No, then you akan simplify, okay, the equation using K-map. Right. The third one is you draw the logic circuit diagram. Okay. Alright. So now yang penting truth table. Okay. Sebab kalau you punya truth table salah, maka you punya K-map akan salah and the circuit you pun akan salah. Okay. So the first truth table. Okay. So kita kena scale dia 0 hingga 1. So kita buat input lah. So they have 3 input. Dia kata 3 bit of binary, ada 3 input. So dia akan di scale 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So dia punya scale lah 0 hingga 2. The lamp is on and the siren is off. So bila dia 0, 0, 0, lampu menyala, siren off. Untuk sampai 2. So 1 pun dia lamp menyala, siren off. Untuk 2, lamp menyala, siren off. Okay, on the 3 to 4, the lamp is on and the siren is off. So for 3 to 4, the lamp is on, the siren is off. Okay, that's 4. And 5 and to 6, the red menyala, lamp menyala, tapi the siren is off. 5 to 6. Okay, and then bila the 7, okay, lampu dia akan menyala and the siren will be on juga. Okay. Alright, so now you dah dapat the output for each particular lamp and also the sirens. So now kita akan draw the K-map. Okay, so draw the K-map untuk each particular cell. Okay. 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 Alright. For the lamp, okay, semuanya satu. Wow. For the lamp, semua satu. Kita on semua satu lah. Okay. So, semua semua satu, maka so your lamp equals to 1. Okay. And for the siren, okay, so the first siren, okay, you have here, which is A, B, C. Okay. Or the 7 lah. Okay, tak apa nak pakai K-map pun boleh lah. Sebab okay, K-map punya pasal lah kita pakai K-map satu. So, ialah, so siren you punya equation adalah A dot B C. Okay, and then now your punya input. Okay, kalau dia left dia satu, macam mana nak buat? So, the logic circuit dia. Macam mana? Semua nyala kan? Okay, dia grounded lah. Okay, so A, B and C. Okay, so A, B and C, okay, will be on the ground. Okay, and then you have, okay, A, B and C. Yang ni kira as a lamp lah. Dia ada volt voltan, 5 volts, okay. And then you endkan. So this is for your siren. Senang sikit. Baik, senang lah. Okay, so dia tak ada gate lah. So dia terus satu maksudnya lah memang dia akan menyala lah. Sentiasa menyala kan. Okay. So therefore you kena tengok okay, for the siren dia akan menyala. Okay. Sebab yang ni kalau tu you boleh pakai loops lah. Tak boleh, kita boleh pakai loops. Terus 8. Kan? So like example. Okay, ini sebenarnya tak payah pun tak apa. Okay, tapi tak apalah sebab kita nak gunakan K-Maps. Okay, so yang penting adalah the important is your truth table. So once your truth table is correct, okay, then you just map, okay, plot any output of 1 here, okay, that represent for each particular input, okay, and then draw the loops, okay, the biggest loops as much as possible, and then after that from that particular output, okay, kalau ada 4 output, so 4 K-map lah kamu kena buat. Kalau ada 5 output dia, maka 5 K-map awak akan buat, and then get the each outputs punya expressions, okay, and then after that you draw the logic circuit diagram. Okay, ni soalan simple lah. Okay, alright, so that's all for that, because this is example of the how we combine materials of logic circuit diagram, okay, using a K-maps.